Hi everyone, and welcome to the Gold Medal Caregiver channel. We're all about sharing caregiving tips and tricks to help you take care of elderly family members or patients at home. Do you have someone at home who needs care? We not only offer help with daily living, but we also share lots of practical tips to help them gradually recover and get back to good health. That's what the Gold Medal Caregiver channel is all about. Today, we're talking about something everyone needs: sleep. Especially for those patients whose days and nights are flipped, how can we help them adjust their body clocks? It's like training a disobedient puppy. It takes patience, it takes skill, but don't worry, we'll teach you step by step. First, we need to help them establish a new routine. Just like you wake up to an alarm clock every morning, we need to wake them up at a fixed time every morning too. I know what you're thinking. Kevin, what if they didn't fall asleep at all the night before? Trust me, even if their eyes are as red as a rabbit's, you have to wake them up. Why? Because we need to reset their body clock. During the day, get them moving. Take them out for some sunshine. Just like plants need sunlight, so do they. Go for a walk, do some simple chores, let them burn some energy. Don't let them sleep too much during the day so they can sleep at night. In the evening, we need to create an environment that's good for sleep. Dim the lights, preferably make it completely dark, quiet enough to hear breathing. Let them know, hey, it's time for bed. Before bed, have them take a warm bath, drink a glass of warm milk, listen to some soft music, just like at a fancy spa, to help them relax. These little tips work, trust me. Nowadays, everyone scrolls through their phones before bed and patients are no exception. But did you know? The blue light from phones, tablets, and TVs is like an energy drink, making the brain think it's still daytime. As a result, they just want to watch a video, scroll through their social media, and end up scrolling until midnight, then can't get up in the morning. It's a vicious cycle. Over time, sleep quality declines, sleep schedules get messed up, and the body's ability to repair itself becomes like an old machine, getting worse and worse. So, if your family member has this bad habit, take away their electronic devices half an hour before bed. Can't take them away? Then hide them. Let them read a book, listen to music, do some deep breathing, anything but scroll on their phones. Remember, we want healthy sleep, not sleep hijacked by phones. Besides avoiding phones before bed, pre-sleep meditation is also very important. Don't get me wrong, I'm not asking you to become a yoga master. My bones aren't that flexible. Simple deep breathing, meditation, or relaxing yoga can help relax the body and mind, like turning off an engine, preparing to enter a state of sleep. Meditation can reduce stress, decrease anxiety, and make it easier to enter deep sleep. Especially for those with long-term insomnia, or whose days and nights are reversed, this method is more effective than counting sheep. Chapter 5. Eat right, sleep tight. What you eat affects how well you sleep. Don't let them eat anything too stimulating before bed, like coffee, tea, or greasy food. These things will make them wired, like they just ran a marathon, making it hard to fall asleep. If they really can't sleep, ask their doctor if mild sleeping pills are appropriate. Chapter 6. The price of staying up late. Can you really afford it? Many people think it's okay to stay up late and just catch up on sleep during the day. Let me tell you, that's a huge lie. Catching up on sleep is like patching a hole with tape. It only treats the symptom, not the problem. Consistently flipping your days and nights will make you like a deflated ball, lower your immunity, worsen your memory, and you might even develop cardiovascular disease. Your skin will suffer too, dark circles, poor complexion, these are all consequences of staying up late. It affects not just your body, but your mind too. After staying up late, people become irritable, depressed, like a ticking time bomb. So never underestimate the importance of sleep. Chapter 6. Build healthy sleep habits, starting today. To help patients sleep well, we need to help them build healthy sleep habits. First, set a regular sleep schedule. Go to bed at the same time every day, just like setting an alarm clock. Second, avoid electronic devices before bed, stay away from blue light. Third, get more sunlight during the day. Let the body know it's daytime so you'll feel sleepy at night. Fourth, exercise moderately to boost your metabolism and sleep better at night. Fifth, practice meditation before bed to relax the body and mind. Finally, avoid caffeine and stimulating foods. Don't let them get too excited at night. Conclusion. Sleep well, live well. Let's create quality sleep together. When patients return to a regular sleep schedule, their bodies will feel refreshed, their immunity will improve, their spirits will be lifted, they'll have more energy during the day, and naturally sleep well at night. This is the positive cycle we want. Of course, change takes time. Just like the tortoise and the hare, persistence is key. Be patient, adjust gradually, and the patient's condition will definitely get better and better. If you feel overwhelmed, don't forget to seek help from professionals, doctors, nurses. They are your support system. I hope today's content was helpful. Remember to share it with your family and friends so everyone can have healthy sleep and a better life.